Okay, we got 15 minutes until ADP. Are you excited?
Indeed.
What do you think ADP is going to be? Higher, lower? No comment. It looks like
I think
a big as head and shoulders on the 30-minute chart, isn't it?
And in hour too, almost. You can say that.
And it is. Price is currently hovering below the daily or the weekly pivot. Can't remember. So it's very risky to hold the trades, but you gotta risk it to get the biscuit in it.
Indeed.
Yeah, if you look at TradingView, it looks like if I were to look only at the price action, I would say it will go down, create a nice head and shoulder to complete that massive gap. Or it's gonna go straight through. Which one is it gonna be?
3,600.
Okay, back to 66 pips profit. Very nice.
No. Thomas, like you was saying, you were 100 pips profit and then was dropping.
Yeah, as soon as I said it.
Yeah.
Well, it was 96 pips to be precise, so I rounded it up, so apologies. It was 96 pips.
But still, the timing was good.
Yeah. Rafael Macharia, why did you take the buy on gold? What the idea, Thomas? You need to join the AlphaFax community. Let me show you. So this signal was sent out like 30 minutes ago, 40? Around 40 minutes ago at... Yeah, 46 minutes ago it was sent out. So I explained everything about ADP non-farm employment. Usually I send to the team a playbook about what to expect in case of scenarios. So scenario 1, if ADP comes out significantly higher than expected, which means hotter than expected because of the labor market overheating. And scenario 2, a softer ADP, which is when ADP comes out lower than expected. And of course, every single signal, if I see an opportunity, usually I do front run before the high impact data releases. And when I enter into a trade, I send that trade to the team, to the members, to the VIP members, with a screenshot of my trade, with all the trade details of my trade. And this is literally real time. As soon as I enter, or before I enter, I send out everything. And the idea was just my expectation about ADP today.
Hello, Thomas.
Hey Mario, how you doing?
Never better, my friend, never better.
Very good. Long time, brother.
Just getting, that's right. You know, I made last, was it March? Yeah, I've made in March quite a lot. So, you know, just trying to be in the cave. But now it's just time to hunt. You got your basket ready for the dollars today?
Yeah, you know, for the pennies, I only make pennies. You make the millions, I make the pennies. So
No, I make
got
enough for my good living. You know, that's good. That's good enough for me.
that's all you need. I mean, just
Yeah.
enough to get by. You know, just another Porsche. That's all we need in it.
Another Porsche. I've got another engine actually
Another engine.
to my Porsche. Yes.
What did you blow it up or?
Yeah. The belt has gone. Actually, not the belt, but the chain. And I had to get the new engine.
What, a timing chain?
Yeah, that's right.
Really? Did you?
Yeah.
Wow.
Very
That's
rarely,
bad.
very rarely happened. But Porsche gave me some discount on my new GTI.
How generous.
V8. Yeah. So instead of 45, I've paid 30,000.
Wow. 30
Yeah.
grand for Jesus.
And this is what I'm hoping to get back today, you know.
Yeah, hopefully we make enough money today. So not just new engine, but you will be able to buy a brand new car.
Not need brand new car, but there are some other purpose, you know.
Yeah. As I was explaining today, ADP is coming up in 4 minutes. Less than 4 minutes. And yeah, 3 minutes and 59 seconds. and ADP is expected to be lower than the previous data.
Right.
I'm expecting significantly lower,
Right.
and that should be bullish for gold. So I'm betting on a lower than expected scenario, which is bullish. But when I look at the charts, you know, price is just below the daily pivot. It's forming a head and shoulders.
Yeah.
So it's scary how different different can be the fundamental forecast and the expectation on the candle chart. Looking at the yields, you can see, let's have a look. 2-year treasury yields actually decreasing. So the fixed income market is getting ready for a lower than expected ADP number. So I trust the fixed income market. I trust the yields. I trust the fixed income market more than chart reading.
Right.
And that tells me that price should revisit 3,580 very soon if we get the lower data.
Right.
And that is my front running position, showing you very transparently.
Okay. Fair enough.
Yeah, it's running in 77 pips profit.
Beautiful.
Good afternoon, Thomas.
Absolutely beautiful.
Hello Kai, how you doing, brother?
All good, yeah, all good. I'm doing the same as you. Looked at the bond market and I'm expecting them pricing in more downside on the dollar. So front running longs on GU.
Front running on GU. Yeah, very nice. 100% agree with that.
How we doing, Mario, as well? I haven't seen you in a long time. Hope you're well, my brother.
Hello, Kai. Fantastic as always. Nothing has changed.
Well, glad to hear it.
Yeah. What about you? New girlfriend?
Nah, not yet.
No, new boyfriend. All right, that's fine.
Yeah.
Oh.
That's fine with me. Yeah.
Well, we don't judge anyone, you know. If
Absolutely we don't.
whoever makes you happy, whether it's a he or she. Then...
Yeah, yeah. Or it now these days could be.
Oh yeah, absolutely. Ladies and gentlemen, 1 minute and 30 seconds till ADP. I'm front running with a long position, but bear in mind that anything is possible. We don't know what the data is going to be, but according to my preliminary analysis and experience, and by looking at the fixed income market in terms of the global yields that you can see on the charts, I'm fully long on gold for now. What is it going to be? 50 seconds and we shall find out. If you want to join the AlphaFX community, go to alphafx.eu and join as little as £59 per month. And you get daily analysis with macroeconomics, with explanations and translation about what's happening in global financial market, what drives financial assets such as gold, indices and currencies, as well as crypto. Whoa, so exciting. You won't find this knowledge anywhere else. And we got 20 seconds to go. We shall find out very soon. ADP is very close to non-farm employment. And here we are. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And ADP should be out. Oh, it looks like it's higher. It's lower, sorry.
Lower. Yeah.
What is it? 54. Oh, full margin, full margin, full margin.
Get those longs on GU.
Yeah, full margin buy on gold. There you go.
Looks like the bond market was correct yet again.
Yep. Let's have a look on the yields. Checking the 2-year. 2 yield should drop to... Actually, it pulled up a little bit.
Oh.
Not much reaction so far. Ah, yields are going up. What the fish? Maybe markets are getting ready for a hard landing, which is not good. Okay. Well, we're still in profit, 90 pips in it.
I think previous got revised higher as well. It didn't. No, it didn't. Sorry.
What was the... it was 104 the previous. What was the revision?
No, it weren't revised. Sorry. Stay
the same.
Yep.
Come on, baby, push it. What is going on?
For the US 30 longs, it may not be good, but we still have some time. Yes, I mean, Volid Arzik is asking, we buy now. I mean, brother, you do whatever you want. If you want clear answers, join the AlphaFX community, because there I clearly express my opinion and my front-running positions. You do whatever you want to do with your money. It's your decision. I'm long, and I just entered as soon as the data came out into long position.
Hello, Thomas.
Hello, Sufyan. How you doing?
Yeah, I think I'm doing fine, thank you. The market is waiting for the news that it's coming at 1:30. The unemployment claims. That's
Sorry, I think you were breaking up. So the market is waiting for the news, yeah?
yeah. There's some news coming at 1:30.
Yeah, the
The
usual,
unemployment
the
claim,
usual,
yeah.
yeah, the usual continuing and initial jobless
Exactly.
claims. But I don't think that's going to be making a huge difference today.
ISM
Hasn't been
though,
making... The ISM, on the other hand, yeah,
yeah,
Kai is
on
right,
the other
at
hand,
4 o'clock.
ISM,
Yeah.
100%. ISM is going to move the market.
Maybe that's why it's not moving much.
Just wait an hour. New York is opening up in 1 hour and 10 minutes. And then we have ISM non-manufacturing.
That stays well below 50. It has done for the past sort of 3 months.
Bloody hell. Yeah. Okay, guys. I will be back at 4 o'clock for the ISM PMI. But I have no intention to sit in front of the screen and do a stream for another 2 hours. So I'm going to be checking up on my son. We're going to go play in the garden. And the next data is going to be the ISM non-manufacturing at 4 o'clock. That is going to be the next one. We have jobless claims in 9 minutes. You do the drill. You should have all the information necessary. But I'm waiting for the ISM PMI at 4 o'clock. So in between that and now, we have jobless claims, New York Open, and then at 4 o'clock we're going to have the ISM PMI. I won't be sitting here watching it. I have my positions. Members know exactly what positions I do have. If you're interested, go and join the AlphaFX community. Members, we are going to meet, let's say, 15-20 minutes before ISM PMI. Is that okay?
Yep.
Sounds
Sure,
good.
yeah.
Okay, we're going to meet, and then we're going to hopefully make some more money. Thank you so much. If you want to join the Alpha community, go to alphafx.eu and become a member today, so you will get notified if I enter into a position. Team, see you in about an hour and 20 minutes.
See you in a bit.
See you, Thomas.
See you
Thank you.
later. Bye.
Bye.
See you later.
Alligator. Okay. 1 2 1 2. And welcome back, everyone. So let me send out the Zoom link for the members, and then we shall return to the stream. And friends should join in any second. There we go. First inflow. 1 2 1 2. Welcome back, guys. Welcome back. Hello.
Hello, hello.
Okay, so price could not break through the daily pivot. Unfortunately, we did have a good, I would say about 200 pips profit today from the lowest position. But now price is really struggling. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start taking more profits. Can you guys hear me? See me?
Yep.
Okay.
Yep.
Did you book some profit?
Yep.
Okay, very nice. Very nice. I highly recommend to take some profit because we have ISM PMI coming up. I did my best. We did book some profits already at 200 pips. I'm going to book some more before I get closed out. Okay, now it's only runners. I can extend the stop loss on this one. And if we have a significantly soft non-manufacturing ISM, then we are going to see new all-time high today.
Well, we're going to have S&P service too in 1 minute 25 seconds.
Yeah, but S&P is not that. I don't really consider as strong as the ISM because S&P is a Standard & Poor's. They're operating in a different business area. They do have their own data sets from the clients, but the ISM is more reliable.
Indeed. But I just noticed, so people will know.
Thank you for the notification. Okay. All positions are set. Chief Khalil, Danny Adventures, if I may ask, how profitable is the group? I'm interested in joining. Well, guys, do you want to answer this question?
Well, group making a lot of money, so it's pretty profit.
Well, sometimes good, sometimes bad.
But mostly we are in positive, so all good. We making money. Thank you, Thomas.
He make one trade 15 minutes and leave stream. He's a scammer. No, bro. If well, I'm not gonna go live for you guys. I'm gonna go live for my community, and I did post everything while I was away from YouTube, and this is the private Discord. And as soon as the ADP data came out, I posted, and I also gave instructions to hold the positions. I gave instructions to myself, and I said I'm holding the positions, that I explained why market price was pulling back. So if you consider this as a scam, just because I don't go live on YouTube every minute, every hour, every day, well, it's your definition of being a scammer, but I was pretty much active in the members group in my community. So this is what you see, and all profits, all positions were in profit, and we booked the profit, and now price is pulling back. And let's have a look on the S&P data, because now price is moving downwards, meaning that something happened. It hasn't come out yet. Let's see. Price pulled back a little bit. Now every pullback could be another opportunity to re-enter if you missed it. But I want to see the Standard & Poor's PMI, which hasn't come out yet. Can you guys see the PMI for S&P?
Lower is the composite PMI.
Oh, the composite is lower.
Yeah, service stock isn't out yet.
It's lower, so yeah, it should be enough to push gold prices a little bit higher. So I'm not going to change the positions. All I'm going to do is move the stop loss a little bit lower, and that's it. And now just waiting for the ISM PMI. Now it's becoming quite risky, and bear in mind, those who are in YouTube, I took most of the profit already at 200 pips. So today I entered the first position this afternoon before ADP was sent out. Entry was at 35.40 and the highest was 58, so that's close to 180, 200 pips profit. And price failed to break through the daily pivot, and that's why I decided to close down most of the positions in profit. And right now, price, if you go down to a lower time frame, it is a typical scenario of going up the stairs and could come down the elevator. So now I'm really thinking to close all the buy positions and switch into a sell. This is the prime example of going up the stairs, coming down the elevator. And anything is possible at this price level. We are just below the all-time high, and we still have the ISM PMI coming up in 12 minutes. I do have some runner positions, but I'm gonna hold them, and depending on the upcoming ISM PMI, I may enter into a sell or may hold the long positions, but I'm not planning to enter into any other position as of now. So just waiting. And I hope I answered the question of Chief Khalil. Tyler. For I swear this guy just lose every trade. Hope he's profitable. What are you talking about, brother? All the positions were in profit today. Okay, let's put some music on. Have you heard that Giorgio Armani passed away? The legend.
Who?
Giorgio Armani.
No.
Yep, he passed away as we speak.
10 sekund. Dobra, Krzysiek, co tam? Coś powiesz i tyle.
Cześć.
Hi.
Kocham cię.
I love you too.
Did you make some money?
I am actually at break even. I've made some money, then you know, my fingers was itching, so I did the stupid things. and I didn't, and I flipped from buy to sell now.
Wow, Ab Hakimi made $825. And did you
Beautiful.
just say you switched to a sell, Mario?
Yeah, yeah.
What is your expectation? Why did you switch to a sell?
My expectation is that I think that the price will go, because it didn't act according to the news, you know. It just, we had the week up and then it started to go down, down, down. It hit the 3540, and for me 3540, I'm selling it from 558. So if that hits 40 and go through, I think we're going down to visit 11.
Have you read the fundamental explanation on Discord in my channel?
No.
So let me just read it out. So it is normal that price is moving opposite to the expectation. One of the reasons is that ADP is quite noisy. And, you know, longs were very, very crowded just below the all-time high. And I think that initiated a profit-taking among traders. And they're waiting for ISM PMI now.
Right.
And technically speaking, it was a perfect place to take some profit because the daily pivot. And right now the price is still moving up in this. It looks like a bear flag. And I do agree with the sells. But also, until this channel doesn't break, I'm going to hold the buy positions. We could have another leg up. Anything is possible. But to be honest, I'm 70% closer to a sell than a buy. But because I'm in a buy, I close the profits, holding the runners, and just going to wait for the next set of data.
Yeah.
The forecast for ISM non-manufacturing PMI is inflationary by 0.8 percentage point.
Right. So that should push gold higher, isn't it?
Lower. If it comes out, if ISM PMI comes out hotter than expected, gold will melt back down to close to 3,500.
Right.
But it has to be very, very hot. And you know what? I'm gonna wait for the data. I'm gonna close down the highest position. And I'm gonna reduce every single risk.
Yeah, that's exactly what I did.
I'm gonna move. Because now it can go both ways.
Yeah.
Without knowing the data. But something tells me that I should switch to a sell.
I've closed my buy position, long position now. No, none. But it's me. It's only me. My skin is itching, you know.
Well, if it's really itching and red, you should see a doctor. You know, I don't know what dirty goals you've been with.
No. If it's itching and it's red, you're going sell short. Yeah. As you say, it can go both ways. Absolutely. But sometimes you've got this women factor in your brain that telling you, don't, Mario, please don't do it. And if I'm looking on the fixed volume profile and stuff, etc., everybody is loading buy. So that's why I'm thinking to go opposite way.
Yeah,
Maybe
look, longs are very crowded now, but you know, when the market is going into one direction, trend is your friend.
Yeah, no, I agree. I could be wrong, absolutely.
Kevin Kima sell is incoming. Bitcoin USD, what can we expect? I would rather focus on gold now. Bitcoin is a bit messy, so I'm gonna focus on gold. Well, actually, no, Bitcoin isn't that messy. So if you look at the chart, this is my prediction for Bitcoin. I think Bitcoin will reach a new all-time high this year, and is currently in a very good buy position. If you look at the trend, technically speaking, it broke the trend, retested, and now we're just waiting for an uplift.
Yeah.
Okay.
So finally, what's
got-
your positions, Thomas?
Let me see. I really want to sell. Really want to sell. Let's have a look on the fixed income market.
Yeah.
Yields did drop and continue to drop after New York opened,
Yeah.
but we still, it's not a forecast for ISM PMI.
What is dollar doing? Dollar is doing nothing much. 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8. In the last hour, nothing much.
And we got a minute and 20 seconds to go. I'm gonna close down the highest position. I have one position left. That's the original entry and it's in break even. So whatever happens, I already made my money today. And I won't be losing a single penny. And we got 50 seconds to go until PMI. This is the last data today. $30 seconds to go. And we get 20 seconds to go. Remember that if ISM comes out lower than expected, gold will shoot up to the all-time high. If it's hotter than expected, then it will melt. And we got 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And ISM should be out. Shout the number if you can see it. Non-manufacturing is higher. I'm going to switch. Yeah, I'm gonna switch into a sell, but I'm gonna wait for a second. It is quite high. Yeah, gonna switch to a sell, And the sell is right there. And I'm gonna take a quick profit if it reaches 1,000. Come on, that was high enough. If it doesn't drop within the next minute, I'm gonna close down the position. I won't be risking a single penny. If it pulls back into the channel, which is still, if you look at TradingView, it's still within the channel. If it stays in the channel, I'm gonna close it down, because that is a mixed signal. We had mixed data today, inflationary ISM, but deflationary ADP. Come on. I give you 1 more minute to drop. If it doesn't drop, if it stays in the channel, I'm out. I'm not gonna play a game. Not today, after we made profit. New hourly candle. That hasn't dropped. You know what? I'm gonna reduce this position. Or hold on. It's coming down. Maybe the market is considering ISM stronger, ISM PMI stronger than the ADP. This is the problem that we're facing. Which data is stronger? In my opinion, it's ISM PMI. This is why I switched into sell, because ADP has a lot of noise and a lot of discrepancy between NFP and ADP. There you go. It's coming down. I haven't closed this. Come on, baby. The channel is slowly breaking down. Price is coming out from this channel. It's already started breaking down. I'm gonna move stop loss lower. There you go, another 40 pips, another £1,000. This is freaking amazing. This is how you interpret economic data. This is how you react to the news. And I hope it's gonna continue coming lower. Price finds difficult to break down this channel that you see on my trading view, but the data was hot. It's inflationary, and ISM PMI is stronger than ADP. It's more important. It has more weight. It has to come down. Those of you interested to join the AlphaFox community, check the YouTube chat. I just dropped a discount link. It will be live or valid for 5-10 minutes. That's because we made money today, so I'm feeling generous. Who's in profit, guys?
Yes, sir.
Very nice. Fuck yeah. ISM PMI came out hotter than expected, so switched to a sell. Already balls deep in profit. That's £1,300. Make the money, take the money in it. Yeah, it will drop. I'm gonna put it in break even, and that's it. If it dies, it dies. Okay, maybe put the stop loss back a bit. This is why I hate playing games when price isn't moving clearly. You start moving stop loss, making mistakes, become sloppy. And that's the end of the stream, guys. I leave you to decide whether you take profit or gonna hold the position. ISM PMI came out more inflationary than expected. We made 200 pips on the previous set of data on ADP. We made about 30-40 pips on ISM PMI. I think it was a good day. And tomorrow is an FB, so have a good rest. And members, you will receive the full macroeconomic analysis as always.
Thank you very much, boss.
Oh, were you guys watching my... Oh, I put the wrong screen on you. You were watching my live YouTube, not my trading view.
No, we was watching trading view and MetaTrade.
Ah, okay, perfect then.
So I was good.
Okay. So, thank you so much, guys. I hope you made some profit, because we definitely did. And see you all tomorrow at 1 p.m. GMT for NFP. A little bit before, okay?
All right. See you.
All right.
Thank you, Damas. Have a
Bye.
nice evening. Bye-bye.
So.
Thank you so much.
Okay, ladies and gentlemen, if you want to join the AlphaFX community to get daily macroeconomic analysis, if you want someone to explain what economic data means, if you want someone to translate it and give you actionable ideas like today, I told buy or sell, I gave signals in this format, go to alphafx.eu and become a member today. Thank you so much. This is the AlphaFX.